Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to sign in to CapCut using TikTok. So here I've already on the CapCut apps, and if you also have a TikTok account, you can sign in to CapCut using the account. So here is what you need to do after you open CapCut. Just go to the Me menu at the bottom right corner, and here there are two options: sign in with TikTok and also with Facebook. So here just click on sign in with TikTok, the black one. Okay, it's now loading, and if you already log in into your TikTok account, it will just ask you to authorize the CapCut to access your TikTok account. But if you haven't logged in, you need to type in your password and username first. So here just click on authorize if you are already logged in, and now the sign in successful. And when you click me, here is now the CapCut profile, which is integrated with TikTok profile. Okay guys, so that's all from me. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. And last, please click on the thanks below. I'll really appreciate that. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.